Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the kind of new to me at least, Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Foundation. So I was in Sephora about a week or two ago, and one of my old coworkers told me this foundation was really good and I should give it a try. So I picked it up and decided to do a review for you guys. So if you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts and my review of this foundation, then obviously stay tuned. But before we go ahead and do that, I'm gonna need you to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, which I'm sure you're probably not, go ahead and kick that red button below and subscribe to my channel and keep on watching for the rest of the video. Here is the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Foundation. And before we get into the review, I just want to give a little bit of background information on this foundation. So I have it in the shade 35N, which I'm assuming is one of the neutral tones. This foundation comes in about 50 shades, which is crazy, but also great. So there should be a match for everyone. And again, I'm in the shade 35N. And I'm just gonna read a little bit of information from Sephora.com on the foundation, just in case for those who are interested in hearing a little background and a little bit of details about the foundation. Best Skin Ever Liquid Foundation delivers a second skin effect and provides lasting hydration while covering imperfections. Its formula is clinically shown to reduce signs of stress, fatigue, and usage over time is proven to make skin smoother, more even, and more radiant. The bottle is made from 30% recycled glass. And then looking at just some of the highlighted ingredients in this foundation, and there are 3 ingredients that are highlighted. The first being hyaluronic acid, which hydrates, red algae extract, which hydrates, as well as brown algae extract, which provides an anti-pollution protective shield. So basically this foundation is foundation with some skincare added, which is definitely a plus for me. I didn't even know that when I was trying out the foundation, so it's definitely good to know that there are benefits to using this foundation long term, and there are good skincare benefits as well. I went ahead and primed my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is just super moisturizing, and I use it for all of my foundation applications because I feel like it works well with every foundation. And then of course I went in with my Becca Evermatte Primer, and this primer I just like to use in my smile line just because I do have dimples there, and foundations typically crease in that area. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Best Skin Ever Foundation, and I'm just gonna put a couple of drops on the back of my hand and then apply this foundation how I apply every foundation, which is with my Beauty Blender sponge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. So I went ahead and applied foundation on half of my face so far. So this half has foundation, whereas this side does not. And just based off first impressions, I can definitely say this foundation match is spot on. Actually, one of my old coworkers at Sephora shade matched me. Thank you so much, Wyatt, if you're watching this. But the foundation looks really good. It gives more of like this medium, buildable coverage, and it also has a satin finish, which I really like. It's very skin-like. My skin just looks a little bit glowy and healthy, and the coverage looks really good. So I'm just going to continue doing the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like. Here's my completed complexion, and as you can see, the skin looks really good. This foundation has exceeded my expectations, especially for a Sephora Collection foundation that's only $20. I feel like this foundation went on perfectly. It looked very skin-like. It has a nice natural glow to it. It's definitely more of a medium coverage, but you can build it up a little bit more if you need coverage in certain areas. It works really well with my normal products in my complexion routine, and overall my foundation just looks good. I was looking for another foundation to kind of just add in my foundation rotation, and I feel like this one is definitely a winner. I would say I give this foundation a 10 out of 10. There is nothing that I would change about this foundation at all. It just looks great, it feels great, it's lightweight on the skin, and just looks very, very skin-like. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this foundation, definitely check it out on Sephora.com. I believe I'm gonna post this video on Monday. If so, this foundation is 30% off, so grab it while you can. Get it for I think like $14 or so. It's definitely worth the money. It's worth the $20. It's worth the coin. Like, the foundation is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Foundation. If you did and you made it all the way to the end, then obviously give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed and didn't subscribe in the beginning, come on, you might as well subscribe now. So definitely stay tuned for more content to come, and if you're not caught up, definitely look at some of my older videos. But thank you again so much for watching, and stay tuned for more content to come.